There we go.
Do more better.
Yeah, first bomb. I'm gonna make it. Come on.
On the move. Engineers going down, right side.
Apple go
He's down.
last.
Heavy deeps on the operator, guys. If you're on the right, you should be on the fucking operator.
Fuck, I went left for my bomb. I got bomb first. Do I need to go right?
You're fine. We're fine.
One of those bombs on right blew up. We got fucking 2 out of the 3 out. It's not cool.
God, when that guy gets low, holy shit.
Which guy?
Operator.
Are you talking about how fast he
We're
melts?
an operator left. Interrupter. Thanks.
Right side, interrupt.
Got it.
DPS right side, skull.
Okay, let's swap to the engineer.
DPS right side, operator.
Apple will go last.
Right side, skull.
On the operator left.
New engineer. Jump. Engineer's dead. Get bombs.
DPS right side, operator.
Go on the engineer.
We are done.
We're almost done.
There's a guard hitting a healer.
I got
Don't
it.
let it.
Sorry.
Get
Put
off
those
me when you
bombs,
can.
please. Good. Apple will go last. We're done.
Operator down. Roar.
Sack on ret.
Cries out.
Get him out of the shield.
His ass is in the shield.
I'm fucking trying.
Yep, I know.
This
No, he
piece of
didn't.
shit.
He wasn't in it.
He had the buff. He was in it.
Do you have any guards on you, Tal? I can't see from here.
One. Engineers going down, melee, be careful. Feldspire's your focus target.
Show walls up. Pot used.
Let's get a slag in position, please.
Rupture on Coco.
Slag is on Tipsy. Get in the spot, dude.
Feldspire's going down.
Watch out for
Please
bombs.
get the slag in here.
There's a slag there.
Good.
Focus it. I don't want them both in there. Whoever's not got skull, get the fuck out. We'll
Tipsy
use yours
out.
next.
No, 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 no.
Tipsy out. Tipsy out. Monkey back in.
Okay, we're good. That's good. Good, good, good. All the DPS in the world on that primal. Melee, cooldown.
I have a
Taking
data
us
on
bomb
me.
and 2 fires.
Yeah,
Pop
drop a
PC.
bubble. Drop a bubble on us is out. Thank you. Let's just ignore
They're
that
cut.
shit.
I got the next one.
It's dead.
Okay, fire caller, please.
Got it.
Bring over that low HP slag, please.
Can you mark it?
The
Tipsy,
one that's on
come on
Tipsy.
over.
Skull, fucking skull.
Burn it. Fire caller will die. Range DPS, this is your CDs. All DPS on the primal.
Apple's gonna have to move out for volatile, so please make up for it.
I'll touch it
I
down.
got procs, thankfully.
Wings are up.
We're a mile ahead.
It should be fine.
I'd say TOD.
It's fine.
Good job.
Okay.
It's together,
Fire
guys. We're looking good.
collars. I need another low slag arena.
There's
Quit
one at
placing
half.
Earth Ellie.
Yeah, holy shit.
Alright, there's a slag. I like that. Yark, that's you. Yours is next. Blue
One more
square,
fire
guys.
collar. One more fire collar.
It's dead.
It'll
Kill the
die.
slag. Melee.
Revival.
Potions. All the DPS in the world on
Go.
Skull. Go.
This is gonna be close. Go, 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 go. Good job.
Alright, bring it over. Kill those fire.
Volatiles, please get out. Please get out.
Fire collars, guys.
If you do not have a volatile, you guys should be stacked on your marker if you're ranged, or if you're melee. Melee is blue square, range is porn star.
Skull. I need a slag over here. Who the fuck? Apple.
Skull. I'm
Abilities. That's
alright,
you.
mine's in, mine's in, mine's in.
Alright, there you go. That's good too.
Okay, I want the lust. I want the lust. Give it to me. It feels good. Drink it down.
Range potion.
Use that lust to get those fire collars fucking down too.
Get them out of the.
Ruben, can you trank? Healers, if you got a drink, drink now while he's tranking.
Drink's done. Holy
Get to the back of
shit,
the room,
that
back of
drank
the
like a big
Fire
difference.
collars, guys. Fire collars. Fire collars. Fire collars.
I got a skull ranged if you guys could get on that till it gets in melee. There it is.
I got CDs roll.
We need to focus these guards too.
You got any more
I'm pulling
fire
back over
collars
here.
up? There's one.
One more.
Make sure you guys are stacked unless you're running out for something.
Melt, move.
Have to move a little bit, Tell.
Yep, he's gone.
Good,
Taunting
there,
boss,
there.
Taunting boss.
Use any personals you have.
I got tied next block. Right here.
He goes on
You go.
me.
I have wings up in 30 seconds.
Can I get ant magic now, Brent?
It's already out.
Everybody
Melt.
relax.
Move. Ugh.
Seriously, yep.
Everybody
Yep.
stay calm.
Seriously. Keep moving him.
Last stands up.
Sparta's down.
Rebuffs and relust. Relust.
Coming up.
Pop lust for me, Brent. I
Show
need
walls
Move.
up.
I already popped it
Move,
for
move,
the...
move.
Move.
Taunt it.
Yark, do you have lust?
Yeah, use it.
Yes, please.
Yep.
Thank you.
Do it. Nice control, guys. Keep it up. This is a kill if we can just stay controlled.
We need to
Stay
move.
on your stack
We
points,
need to move.
please.
Move
Yell
now.
to the left.
Ant one out. That's Sparta.
20 seconds
Move.
for my amp.
Gonna revival the next block.
Taunting boss.
Pop a personal right now, everybody. Go. Pop one.
Move now.
We gotta move in smaller increments. We're losing space.
Yeah, we're okay. Let's try and get one up in that
Keep
Keep me
corner.
up.
Tell
Keep me up.
It's on red.
Land
No,
hands.
you're still. Oh, you're still good.
I didn't use it. There, I did.
All right. Pop amp as soon as it's up.
Move now.
please.
Keep me up. Paint up if you can.
What healing cooldowns
Taunt
do we have?
He's on me.
Got nothing.
Personals and health pots right
Use
here,
your
guys. Health
runics,
pots.
guys.
Vig on tail.
Do we have any healing cooldowns coming up?
Devotion. Devotion.
Good, good, good. How long on train?
Move to the right.
Shrink ace. The right. Stay behind the boss. Behind the boss.
Stay calm,
Tony?
guys. Remember your job.
Or at least those stacks didn't hurt.
Move it a little bit.
And
Move it just a little bit.
Move.
You guys good?
Yeah.
Tranks out.
I'm down. Can I get a res?
Stack me if you can.
Yeah, coming
You have a res. Get him up, please.
It's a kill.
Moving.
I'm about to yell out goal.
Done fucking
We
kill.
fucking
Oh my
do.
God.
Go!
Good job.
Fuck you.
Got my legs rolling, my legs.